Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the Lincoln School online class. I hope you all doing well. I'm your English teacher, Miss Ifra Ahmed. I hope you all enjoyed my previous lecture. Okay, students, as you know that we had done in the previous lecture application and letter writing and essay writing as well as. So today we are going to start the second chapter of this book, that is A Shot in the Dark, which is written by H. Munro. So first of all, let's read about the author. So he was born in 1870 and was died in 1960. His nickname was Saki. He was a novelist and a short story writer. He was best known for his many varied short stories. He had a highly individual style, and his humorous, satiric, supernatural stories are full of eccentric wit and unconventional situations. Okay, now let's start that short story, that is A Shot in the Dark. So the theme of this story is misconception. Misconception means गलतफहमी. तो इस स्टोरी का मेन थीम जो है वो गलतफहमी है. So the first character introduced in this story is of Philip Sliderby, and he wants to become a president in this story. So he is going to meet a lady. Her name was Mrs. Salton Jago. फिलिप स्लिदरबाय मिसेस सॉल्टन जागो से मिलने जा रहा था क्योंकि वो प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहता था. और वो मिसेस सॉल्टन जागो से मिलने क्यों जा रहा था? वो इसलिए क्योंकि मिस्टर सॉल्टन जागो बहुत पावरफुल लेडी थी और वो ही सिर्फ फिलिप स्लिदरबाय की प्रेसिडेंट बनने में हेल्प कर सकती थी. सो स्लिदरबाय वाज ट्रैवलिंग थ्रू अ ट्रेन टू मीट मिसेस सॉल्टन जागो, एंड ही वाज गोइंग टू मीट हर इन हर पैलेस विच नेम वाज ब्रिल मैनर. वो यहाँ इस जगह पर मिसेस सॉल्टन जागो से मिलने जा रहा था. स्टोरी की स्टार्ट में स्लिदरबाय met with another character while traveling into the train. That character name was Betty. He was just 22 years old. Okay, now let's start reading it. A Shot in the Dark. Philip Sliderby settled himself down in an almost empty railway carriage with the pleasant feeling of starting off on an agreeable and profitable trip. He was bound for Brill Manor, the country residence for his new acquaintance. So here is Philip Sliderby is sitting in a train and traveling, and he was going to Brill Manor to meet Mrs. Salton Jago because he wants to become a president, and Mrs. Salton Jago was the only person who can help him to become a president. So in the start of the story, he was sitting in a train carriage and he was traveling towards Brill Manor to meet Mrs. Salton Jago. As I told you above, Mrs. Salton Jago जो है बहुत पावरफुल लेडी थी, और जो फिलिप स्लिदरबाय है वो उनसे मिलने इसलिए जा रहा था. वो ऑलरेडी इलेक्शन लड़ रहा था और वो प्रेसिडेंट बनना चाहता था, इसलिए. Okay, now students, let's come to next page, that is page number 7. Among the passengers dotted about on the platform awaiting their respective trains, Sliderby spotted a club acquaintance and beckoned him up to the carriage window for a chat. Oh, you are staying with Mrs. Salton Jago for a weekend, are you? I expect you will have a good time. She has the reputation of being an excellent hostess. She will be useful to you too. सो फिलिप स्लिदरबाय अब क्या है, अपने सफ़र पर रवाना हो गया है, जहाँ पर उसकी ट्रेन में मुलाकात होती है बर्टी से. बर्टी जो कि बहुत ही यंग सा 22 इयर्स ओल्ड होता है, और वो फिलिप स्लिदरबाय से कहता है कि आप तो मिसेस सॉल्टन जागो से मिलने जा रहे हैं ना, आप उनके घर पे रहने जा रहे हैं. फिर वो मिसेस सॉल्टन जागो की तारीफ़ें करता है कि वो बहुत अच्छी लेडी हैं और आपकी काफ़ी हेल्प करेंगे आपको प्रेसिडेंट बनने में. बट फिलिप स्लिदरबाय जो है वो बर्टी की किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं देता और वो अपने काम से काम रखता है और चुपचाप बैठा रहता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस शॉर्ट स्टोरी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to practice the reading of this short story at home and search out the meaning of the difficult words. It will help you to understand this story in a more easier way. So this is your home task, that you have to find out the meaning of the difficult words of page number 6 and 7 and do practice the reading of today's lecture. And if you want to ask any question about English language or English literature, so you ask on school WhatsApp number. Teacher is waiting for your response. Take a good care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.